Two terms you'll encounter a lot when you shop for flooring are laminate and luxury vinyl.
And we want to help you know the difference between the two so that you can make the best choice for your home and family.
Some people might get luxury vinyl and laminate confused because they can both look like hardwood or ceramic tile, but they aren't actually wood or tile.
That's right. Both laminate and vinyl flooring provide the look of wood, tile, or stone, but at more affordable prices.
Vinyl flooring is made from, you guessed it, vinyl, which gives the material a firm but elastic construction. You'll often hear it called LVT for luxury vinyl tile or LVP for luxury vinyl plank. It's composed of layers. On top is a protective coating, then a wear layer to make the floor extremely durable. Next, there is a printed photorealistic image of wood grain, tile, or stone, and then a base layer and backing layer.
Laminate is also made of layers. The top layer of a laminate floor is a very strong, clear melamine wear layer. It protects a photorealistic image that you see through the melamine. The third layer is a high-density fiber core, which gives the flooring its strength. And the fourth bottom layer is another balancing layer of melamine.
You can buy luxury vinyl in planks or tiles.
Laminate comes in planks.
Vinyl can be installed using the float, glue, or loose lay methods. Floating installation means the planks are locked together, but they are not attached to the wall or the subfloor.
Laminate is designed to always be installed using the floating method.
They can both be installed over wood subfloors or concrete floors.
Both laminate and vinyl are easy to clean. They look great after simply sweeping and dry mopping.
Both products can be installed on any level of the home, including the basement.
And both are great DIY projects.
Vinyl is quieter and softer underfoot.
Laminate is both scratch and fade resistant.
If you're considering vinyl in a room with direct sunlight, you'll want to close the blinds or drapes during the peak sunlight hours to protect the structural integrity of your flooring from the heat of the sun's rays.
Laminate is not suitable for areas with high levels of moisture, which can warp or permanently damage your floor.
Vinyl is stain resistant, as well as resistant to water, mold, and mildew, making it an especially great choice for basements and bathrooms. And some of Shaw Floor's luxury vinyl styles are waterproof.
Laminate is generally more affordable than vinyl.
And both are generally more affordable than hardwood or tile.
And finally, both options from Shaw Floors will give you a wide variety of stunning styles representing the look of different wood species, textures, and colors.
So, whether you choose laminate or vinyl, Shaw Floors has a range of options to fit your every style. Good luck making your final choice.
For more information and Flooring Styles catalog, visit our website www.vsflooring.com or call our flooring installation department at 562-601-8143.